Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Wow. What's going on, guys? Jason Thrift Trader coming back to you with another video. Again, today Hawt Saucee is going to help us unload this box truck, and we're going to go through a bunch of this stuff. Still got a lot to go, if you can't tell, and it is literally plumb full all the way to the very front. Guys, if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button because we do this all the time. If you're returning, thank you for being here. Hit the like button. Comment below. Let us know what you think.
If we find anything that we don't know what it is and you do, make sure you comment below to let us know what it is.
Absolutely, because a lot of times we don't have a clue what we're looking at. Anyways, guys, we're going to just cut to the chase. Here we go. Alright guys, first thing, we've got this bag here. It was already open, so we're just going to open it up and see what the heck we got in here.
Whoa.
Oh, that looks like where they used to keep their
Stash
of... Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure marijuana. Trash.
Gross.
Hey, we could use these, right? Brillo pads. That one's already, well, that's not used up, but we'll keep those for the house.
Okay.
Why not? What in the world? Copper scrubbers? Well, that's trash.
Nothing. It looks like it's a tablet.
It's a little
case.
tablet case. It looks torn up.
Yeah.
That'll be trash. I think we got yeah, that's personal.
Here's another personal. Ow.
They get you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Got a lighter?
Does it work? Hey, what's this?
Yeah, it works. Is it a phone charger?
It's this kind of end charger.
Oh, that's weird. Here's a phone charger. We got a new phone charger, yay. That's personal.
Headphones.
Trash.
Yeah,
Let's see if there's... Oh, look at there, guys.
Oh.
There it is. There's the weed pipe. Wonderful. First freaking thing of the day, and we find a weed pipe.
That's trash.
Yep.
Is that cracked too?
I have no idea.
Well.
Weed pipe. Crazy. This is a nice little box cutter. Hey, we might use this later. Everything else looks like junk.
Trash, yeah.
Looks like junk. Oh, Sharpie.
Hey.
Wait a second. Must be blind. This looks like copper. It's just a copper bangle here, guys. That's cool. Alright.
That's...
looks like it's got resin all over it.
I was gonna say it looks like it's
I think they were using that for cleaning their pipe and stuff, so everything else is trash.
Okay.
Even the box.
Yeah,
it's
the box
gross.
is pretty yucky.
And
That's what's in there.
Well, it looks like there might be other things in here too.
Oh crap.
What is this? Okay. That goes to the...
That goes to this.
I think that's all that's in there. Cool, that'll go yard sale.
It's pretty dusty.
Well, dust will kick off.
Please.
This will go yard sale.
Okay.
We got ourselves a bag, and it's got things in it.
Whoa.
Holy cow.
What is this? Freeze away.
Warp freeze away, huh? Alright. It looks like it's brand new, still sealed. That'll be yard sale. What do we got here?
Fragrance.
Berry Wild.
Hey, where's the camera? No, spray me.
You smell like a berry now? It smells good.
It does smell really good. Here's... This one's Estee Lauder, it looks like. No,
it's Jean Philippe Paris.
Yeah, that's what this one is too.
Okay. This is European American designs, Hot Thrills.
Hot Thrills.
You want to smell like a Hot Thrill, honey?
I think I'm good.
Dang.
This doesn't have a label on it.
This might be the lid.
Oh, that might be.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this bottle.
That's cool. Ooh, X body spray. Here we go.
It's Calvin Klein Euphoria.
There, I don't stink anymore. Jean Philippe.
If I wanted to eat it, I would have just drank it.
There's some more.
What's this? Victoria Ralph? Oh, Victor Ralph.
Bright blue. These are interesting.
Look at this little baby thing.
What is this? This is junk. Junk.
Look at that.
Wow, that's brand new.
Yeah, and it has a box.
Some of this perfume could be potentially worth money, guys, on eBay. So, especially like older, discontinued, high-end perfume, that stuff can fetch a lot of money. So we'll have to look that stuff up on eBay to see if it's worth anything before putting it in yard sale. But this bag's not too bad. It'll go yard sale.
Okay, I'll put it in the bin.
We got us a bag. Another bag. This is a... Oh, wow. Look at this bag, guys. I don't know if this is real or not, but that's Dolce & Gabbana. Seen better days, though. It's past its prime.
Oh, no, these are the... Oh, gross.
Oh, man. See what happens when things get wet? That's disgusting.
I would not...
That's trash. Trash. That's, that book's seen better days. That's trash. That's trash. It's been molded, mildewed. Trash. Got a wallet.
Pretty much trash.
Empty. Empty. Trash. Alright, I gotta go through this real quick. Hang on. In the front to an iPhone.
Nah.
Busted. Junk, junk. This bag might be a complete total loss. Yeah. Keys go to something. Something we ain't got. I don't know, we might have something. I'll have to hold on to them in case we find a safe. Alright, that bag is empty, but this bag is going to be trash. Look at how torn up it is.
Yeah, well, and knowing that the insides were molded and everything else.
Everything in that bag is trash.
Yeah.
Scared?
That's why I'm...
Okay. Hang tight. What is this?
It went to that mobile. I bet you it's the bouncer thing.
Junk. That's nasty. Seen better days.
Ooh, it smells. Oh.
Are you gonna make it?
Yep.
That's gross, guys. Holy cow.
These are the bags. They're like the bag bins, whatever. I don't like doing it.
That's a pillow. That's junk.
The only part of this that is grosses me out. It's like, woo.
That's kind of nasty. Nasty. See the mold on there? It's ruined. That's too bad. Trash. Trash. This is not moldy though. That's yard sale. This is nasty. What kind of hoodie is this here?
Looks like Under Armour.
That's Under Armour. Look at that, guys.
It's a kid's Under Armour.
If I could throw this in the wash, might get 20-25 bucks for this. Who knows? It depends on how bad it is after it gets washed. But we're gonna throw this in the eBay pile. Trash. Why do people do this? That's go to the yard sale. Trash. Here's a phone.
Looks busted on the top.
So what I usually do with phones is I'll save them till I have a big lot, and then I'll sell them all on eBay. There's a kid's shoe, children's place. Maybe we'll find the other one in here. What is that?
There's also this one around.
That is what used to be a key. They drilled out the lock. Wow.
Got used foundation.
This doesn't look bad. Gymboree. That'll go yard sale.
For the car.
Yeah, that'll go yard sale. That's trash. Got a bag here. Okay. Is the bag disgusting? Not quite. No, we could probably yard sale that. That doesn't look too bad. Nothing in there. Yard sale. Everything else in there is trash, guys. This is all trash. It's just, it's gotten wet, or it's just yucky. So.
Yeah, see, my purple one's just like
this. Alright.
Choose.
Shoes. Here, let's unhook this.
Oh.
That's yard sale. That's yard sale. Yard sale.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
LL Bean.
LL Bean umbrella?
Yeah.
That might be, this right here might actually be
Another wedge.
worth the eBay if it works. I don't know, that might be worth some eBay. I'll talk
Shoe.
eBay, but we'll see.
The other shoe.
Got another shoe.
Yeah, the other one right there.
And here. Those
are
nice.
cute.
And a penny! Making our money back already.
1 penny at a time.
Alright, you said you wanted to keep this bag?
I don't need it.
If you want it, keep it.
Well, I mean, a little bit of cleaning up wouldn't hurt it.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Hey, hey, hey!
Hey!
Wow. Vivitar V3800N. Wow. And this is with a macro focusing zoom lens, 28 to 70 millimeter. This could be worth something. That is nice. That's the second 35 millimeter film camera we've found.
Yeah.
We found one yesterday also. And this is going to go in the eBay pile. I'm sure it's probably worth something. There's nothing in that. Guys, I actually try to keep bags, even if they're cloth bags like this, for my garage sale customers. Because a lot of times they'll ask for a bag.
Wow, this book has seen better days.
That's
Look at that.
trash.
Oh, good. Awful.
Yeah.
And the dust cover's missing.
This is all personal stuff here, guys. That's trash. That's interesting. More personal stuff.
You need a diaper?
Nope. Trash. What is that?
Vera Wang and Brakes.
That?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Green tea and pear blossom.
These look pretty well used up, so I think that's trash. Sharpie. Yes.
Hashtag save the Sharpies.
Save the Sharpies.
That's it.
Alright. That's it.
Yeah.
Trash. Trash, trash, trash.
Yes.
Look at this, guys. It's broken. It's got water damage.
Water damage really bad.
Never seen anything like this. Don't even know if it's worth anything.
$150 price tag on the back.
150. Good night. 150 bucks here. Unfortunately, it's not worth that anymore, I don't think. But that was an interesting piece at one point. It's too bad it's got a bunch of water damage on it. Looks like something's started eating on it too. Don't know. Can you guys see that? See the holes in the paper? So I guess this is going to end up being trash.
What's in there?
We're about to find out.
Interesting.
It's not a mystery bag.
Oh, gross.
Right off the top here, we've got a wallet.
And trash. Why do people put trash in a storage unit? I just don't understand.
Empty. Empty and gross.
Yeah, the whole bag smells awful. Oh.
You walking away?
Yeah.
Thus far, this is all trash. Yep. Every bit of that was trash, guys. Golly. Let's look in this. What do we got? What do we got in here? Oh, wow. That's trash. Trash. Oddly enough, I've sold a bunch of nail polish at my yard sale with no problems. Didn't get a whole lot of money out of it, of course, but people will buy nail polish. We'll hold on to that nail polish there. Anybody need a sock? There, let's just dump this. Looks like this was her nail thing. That's gross. Nasty, nasty, nasty. That one's kind of gross around the edges. That's definitely nasty. This one ain't too bad. That one's okay. Everything else is trash. My wife might like that. She crochets. What in the world has got a lot of weight in here? This says Gore Products Soft Comfort Core Pack Hot and Cold Pack, frost free, made in the USA. It's kind of gross though. I don't know. Have to look that up. All right, I found the nudie mags. Found the nudie mags. See? It's Playboy. These will be trash. There's another one. This is just this bag I'll keep for my customers at the yard sale. Same one with this bag and this bag. And this is just trash. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren. It's 100% wool. This would actually sell on eBay, but it's got a lot of pilling to it, so it's actually going to end up being trash, unfortunately. And these pants seem to look okay. Those will go yard sale. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in this. There's something in the front here. Oh boy. Look at this. There's a couple wigs. Here's a couple wigs.
Okay.
Ugh.
Put them aside. Clara.
Yeah, we have a friend that buys the wigs from us.
Hey, a crochet hook.
Yep, I saved it for you.
Dang. I wonder if we'll find yarn that's not molded. What size is this?
This is... everything in it's trash, but the tote itself is good.
Sorry, I was talking to the girls.
Oh, you're fine. Here, put this tote in yard sale.
Okay.
Actually, put all those in there. You need some wig and weave?
No.
Okay. This is full. Oh, snap. Here we go. Cell phone, cell phone.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Cell phone, cell phone.
Wow.
There's 4 cell phones, 5 cell phones in here. Holy cow. The Bluetooth. That'll be junk. This is a little charger thing. This is trash. I got 5 more cell phones. Holy crap. Unless these are like high-end brands, we just put these in the yard sale. So those will be yard sale. That's trash. We do not sell
No, we don't keep that
used brushes and combs. That's
Yeah.
obviously trash. Could you use those bobby pins?
I wouldn't. I don't use that brand anyway, but I wouldn't use somebody else's bobby
That's
pins.
nasty. Hey.
Notation.
Look there, it's bobbin threads. That's strange. Put that in the yard sale. It's just a trash. Trash. Need some baby powder?
I think it's cornstarch.
It's with cornstarch. Empty. Rare gold. This is shimmering body powder. You need
This
it?
is empty. It's Victoria's Secret though.
Yeah, empty. Darn. This person obviously. See, super hair bond remover. What in the world?
Wigs.
Metformin medication. That's going to the trash.
What is that?
This is this looks like it's either a weed pipe or a crack pipe. One of the two. There it is, guys. The good, the bad, the ugly.
What's on the other in the inside of it?
A screen.
Oh.
The good, the bad, the ugly. That's obviously trash. Nasty. Berry coconut body mist. We'll hold on to this just for the stuff that's in bottles, like spray bottles. It's not a big deal to resell this stuff because none of this is exposed to someone else, you know, someone else's body. Stuff like this, I wouldn't suggest it because people can put different things inside of it, and you just never know. This is all trash. The rest of this is junk, and the bag is all torn up. So the rest of this is just trash.
What is this? Trash?
I don't know yet. I gotta look those two things up. All right, guys. So just to recap, we picked out 3 items out of everything that we went through today to list on eBay, and the first one was this Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. This will actually sell for $15 new. The box is beat up a little bit, but it is brand new, so we're gonna sell it on eBay for 15 bucks. The next thing is this women's extra small Under Armour hoodie. We're gonna throw it in the washer and see if we can get it clean. It's a Storm 1 hoodie. We're asking $20 for this. And then the last thing is this Vivitar V3800N multi-exposure 35mm camera, complete with a macro focusing zoom 28 to 70mm lens. And this actually sells pretty quick, and we should be able to sell it, I would say, within 1 month for a total of $80, just like it is on eBay. Yeah, you have to act like you like me.
Well, darn.
Well, all right, guys, that is it. Again, if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Absolutely hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the bell so that you get notifications. We got a long ways to go still in this box truck. Look at this, guys. It is still yeah, it's everywhere. So yeah, we still have a long ways to go, and we're gonna take you along the entire way. Till next time, keep on picking that trash and making that cash. Have a good day.